Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be making some cute stickers, and I want to tell you why I started to make stickers, because I've never done this before and I know that it's like a very new thing in this channel, but there's a very deep reason for why I'm making stickers and what my reason behind it is. So for a very long time I've been passionate about art and making art, and it's always been at the front of my mind. Like, I wanted to actually get rid of the thought of making art and like this passion that I had, but I couldn't do it. Like, no matter what I did, I kept coming back to art. And so I was searching for some reason behind why am I passionate about, why is it that I can't even get rid of it. It's like whenever I wanted to really take myself away from art, I felt very hypochondriac. I felt like my brain is keeping itself busy by just making problems all around, because that is the habit that I had before. Because like when you're making art, you are actually solving some problems and you're trying this loop of constant solving the problem, doing the thing. And I don't even like it when I'm not actually creating something. So I wanted to try something new, as something that can add value to my passion as well, because like this is what I know that is gonna stay with me for the rest of my life. And I'm gonna be an artist, and it's like inevitable because there's no other ways. And so I started thinking about ways that I can incorporate all of my passion and like find that sweet spot. And I came across this thought that maybe making a sticker is a great way to go. And I tried it for a few times and I thought to myself, I always loved designs. I wanted to add some sort of writing to my painting as well, but I couldn't do it because like my painting was not for that specific reason. But now that I think about it, like making sticker is just such a great way for me to incorporate all of my passion into one place. But I'm still like really passionate about animating and storytelling and like illustrating. All of that is just like absolutely in its own place as well. I'm not gonna, get rid of all other passions that I've got. But for now, I wanted to focus on making stickers. But stories all aside, I am going to tell you how you can make stickers in Procreate. What is the actual reason behind me choosing Procreate? Well, first of all, it's really convenient. You just grab your iPad and open the Procreate, and there you go. You make some drawings, and next thing you know, you have created a collection of stickers. And it's really easier than you think it is. You just need to have developed your favorite colors. I don't know, like for me, it's that my favorite color is just on the go. I know what color to choose because I've always been experimenting with colors and trying to, find the colors that really matches each other. And that is another reason that I really love making stickers and also like designing everything that has to do with color. I just love it. I just enjoy it so much, because so many things that we see around us, so many like areas, it really is solvable by just using the color theory and psychology of colors. It does affect the mood, and especially when you're making stickers, you need to really take care of that area of coloring, because when you want to give other people stickers, they're gonna stick it on their stuff, they're gonna stick it on their laptop, on their books, on their notebooks, on anything that they have that they want to stick it on. What it actually does for them is that it brings another mood to them. It brings joy, and you have to provide that joy for them if you're a sticker maker. And I know this because I've been having some stickers on my laptop, and it does make me feel more productive. I don't know how to say that, but like it really feels greater when I want to open my laptop and I see those stickers. It's just like, yeah, I'm neat, I'm tidy, I'm on point all the time. That's what it does express. And that is really the strongest reason that I have started this sticker thing. And I'm not really sure that this is gonna go on forever. Maybe I'm just doing it for, a while, and then I feel like there's something else that I am more passionate about, and like there's more opportunity there, and I might hop onto another plate altogether, but I'm not gonna worry about that. And so when you're making stickers, you need to have your own way of doing it, and you need to know what your true style is. And I'm not saying that, you must have developed a style beforehand. No, it might be something that you have chosen from the start, but I've never ever thought of sticker making from the start, from the beginning. I now am at a level that I'm pleased with the style that I've had for the past couple of months, and now I'm starting to think what sort of career I should be choosing, what sort of area I should be specializing in. But I'm not saying that it's gonna be stickers or anything like that. And I know that in the previous videos I've talked about this concept of just choosing your style first, choosing your artistic path first, and then making the specific style for that specific path, for that specific area that you want to specialize in. But you can go the other way too, but it's not gonna be efficient. I've been there, I've done it, and I know that it's not efficient to be just practicing art randomly, and then at the end of your art journey you just decide to do a specific thing. You have to know what the goal is at the start of your journey. Another tip for making sticker would be that you need to have a sense of creativity in your mind, someone who's really interested in collecting things, and I don't know, that kind of personality is really gonna get you a long way when you're making stickers. So you have a certain style for yourself, and you know that you're being consistent throughout this entire sticker pack. It really depends on what your style look like. If your style is much more soft edge sort of painting, then it should be apparent throughout the entire series. And if it's very sharp edged, expressionistic and all that, it's it has to be consistent throughout the entire series. And you need to make sure that that happens. Otherwise, nobody's gonna connect with your stickers. Nobody's gonna really be interested in buying them if it doesn't look consistent. You have to find something that resonates with you as well. Making a sticker that is really likable to you, that you'd want to put it on your own stuff as well, is really a big sign of a successful sticker business. Being your own first customer is the biggest sign that you know immediately that this is going to be successful, because you are actually true to yourself. You are honest to yourself. You know that this is a valuable asset for other people, so that this is not a quick way for you to gain some status or money or anything like that. If you look at these stickers that I'm making right now, you can see that there's a very specific look to all of them. There's a true, there's a very unique style too that is really present throughout the entire drawing, and I am making sure that that is happening. Otherwise, it's just very hard to make it happen, because you need to be conscious of it. And also, I am like I said, I was really interested in finding some words that resonate with me, so that I can put it on my stickers and I can make a sticker for myself. Because if you just imagine your first customer to be yourself, then there are going to be so many other people out there that are actually really similar to you, and it's gonna take time to find all of those people, but at the end of it, when you find them, it's gonna be huge. So keep making things that you personally love and wait for it to explode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that I can see you in the next video. Have a nice week.